Hello, I'm Amandine Moignard, Interim Executive Secretary of the World Association of Public Employment Services. It's an honor to join the Employment Service of Slovenia's 125th anniversary. Your dedication to employment and professional integration shines globally, and we cherish our partnerships within WAPES. Your approach to active labor market policies continues to inspire our members worldwide.
Hello, I'm Nicole Klobis, a consultant at WAPES. Slovenia's journey of resilience and innovation in employment services is remarkable. You remain committed to your core values while adapting to modern challenges. Your active participation in WAPES through networking and contributing at our events sets a stellar example for all.
Thank you for your pivotal role in the WAPES network and for advancing employment policies globally.
And congratulations on your 125th anniversary, and here's to continued success and collaboration.
Looking forward to our future endeavors.